There now follows a special anniversary announcement from WDS Components Limited. Originally formed in 1952 under the name Woodside Die Sinking Co Limited, WDS has become a leading British manufacturer and global supplier of standard parts, machine accessories and work holding components. We do spares, components and accessories better than anyone else. As one of Britain's leading manufacturers and suppliers of components and standard parts, WDS has inspired engineers for over 70 years. With dedicated specialists, customer-focused colleagues, we supply engineers, designers and manufacturers across the world, and we don't stop there. We've developed several products over the years to meet our customers' designs and their requirements, and we've increased our ranges and our capabilities. To commemorate the 70 years in the ever-changing industry of standard parts, we've done something we've never done before. WDS are issuing free commemorative tokens as a very special gift to our respected customers. You can own the WDS Platinum Jubilee tokens now for free. The WDS Platinum Jubilee coin collection features the 70th mark, the stock guarantee, the Made in Britain mark, which will be available at exhibitions throughout 2022, and the WDS Components logo, which will be sent to every 70th dispatch throughout 2022. Claim your free WDS coins now by visiting WDSComponents.com. For every token with a logo collected, you will be eligible for a 7% discount off your next 10 orders. We do suggest you check your parcels